Section 2.3, Product and Quotient Rules and Higher Order Derivatives. So we're just doing product rule today. Product rule: the product of two differentiable functions, f and g, is itself differentiable. And this is how we would differentiate it. So we have the derivative of f of x times g of x with respect to x. So it is the first function times the derivative of the second function plus the second function times the derivative of the first function. So it's first, derivative second, plus second, derivative of first. All right, so we're just going to practice using it. I think you'll immediately be able to see how handy it is. H of x equals 3x minus 2x squared times 5 plus 4x. So if you would like to FOIL this and turn it into a big polynomial and then do general power rule on each term, you can. We're going to practice product rule. So we have a product. We have one function times another. So we can use the product rule. So product rule says the first function, so you just write it down, times the derivative of the second. Well, the derivative of 5 is 0. The derivative of 4x is 4. Plus second function, just write it down, times the derivative of the first. So the derivative of 3x is 3 minus the derivative of 2x squared is 4x to the first. Remember that 2 comes down and gets multiplied by that 2. So if you're taking the AP test, they say you can leave it right there. They just want you to do the product rule. For me, I want you to go ahead and simplify. And on this other set, you're going to have to FOIL. And then combine like terms. And we're done. Let's look at another. This is example 2. We have y equals 3x squared times the sine of x. Well, it looks really close to this, but it's a 3x squared. So that's one term, and there's a second, and we're multiplying them together. So we're going to use the product rule to find our derivative. First, times the derivative of the second, plus second, times the derivative of first. There's not much we can do. We're going to just drop the parentheses with this first term, and with the second term we'll just move the 6x to the front, and that's it. All right, let's see, let's do one more. Yes, just one more. Example 3. Find the derivative of y equals 2x cosine x minus 2 sine x. Okay, so as I go to get started, I realize this first term is actually a product. So I'm going to have to do the product rule here and then take care of that. So when we go to do our derivative, we've got a product. So it's first times the derivative of the second. Whenever we take the derivative of a function that starts with it's negative, plus the second times the derivative of the first. All of that is just the product rule of this. Now we're ready to do minus, and let's do the derivative of this term. So it's 2, which is just a constant, times the derivative of sine, which is cosine. Then we'll just clean it up a little, like we'll put that negative in front here. drop the parentheses and bring the 2 in front here. Oh, look at there. I didn't even notice. Those cancel. So it's just negative 2x times the sine of x. All right, so now you get to try product rule on your own.